Hey, how's everyone doing tonight? I, for some odd reason, decided to go out and take a walk in 96-degree weather. It's pretty hot tonight. The humidity's not bad, but my God, I don't know what the temperature it is to boil water, but it's hot. My foot's feeling a little better. Got something going on with my left foot. Hopefully it'll get fixed. But anyways, can't go running, so I figured I'd go for a walk. So yeah, we gotta just checking out some shops in Hora, whatever. Little quiet little spot in Bahrain. Yeah, I don't really know where I'm going. Hopefully I don't get lost again. It tends to happen a lot. Okay. Oh, this isn't nice to look at. I found out where everyone lives. Hi. Just a bunch of little shops where people live, all kinds of exciting stuff. Actually, the shops are gone. A mosque. Hi.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Let's see if we can get back to the shops. This is definitely not interesting. Lots of little eateries. So I guess everyone's getting off of work. It's pretty busy, pretty packed. Alright, that was a lot of nothing. So we're back on the street. A lot more shops on this one. This one's pretty interesting. They got a lot of cool stuff in here. Not bad. That's pretty cool. How much is this?
It's 5 edimos.
5? Oh, okay. So 5. So just it's warm out tonight. lot of food stores, a lot of men's clothing stores. Men's salon, beard trimming, haircuts, stuff like that. I guess in certain sections of the town, areas, you have where they treat only men, and then there's certain areas where they treat only women. So that would probably be the reason. Oh, it's a pet store. We got cats and fish and all kinds of fun little cuddly animals. Pablo Escobar. I don't know who that is. Whew, here's my shirt. No, I don't have any money. I don't even know what she was saying. I'm just la la. I think la la means no. Electronic store. It's pretty cool. In clothing, it's 2BD, so it's like $6. Certain articles. It's not real, it's fake. Alright, let's see if I can cross the street. Now, by all accounts, this is a crosswalk where they're supposed to let you cross. We'll see how that works. Oh, I got lucky. There's no vehicles. Shouldn't be a problem. All right. Let's walk back this way. Try not to get too far from where I am. That way I don't get lost. Electronic stores, cell phone stores. Here's your typical men's clothing. Now that would be, I'm gonna go full whatever, full dress, I guess. I guess he's got it's got a holster you can wear. It's got a holster for a gun, I think, or a knife. Maybe it's a knife. I know this one's got a knife. It's a display. Alright, he's getting suited up. Getting suited up. Everyone's getting their snack, tea, snack, whatever. Again, if you don't know where we are, we're in Hora. We're just skipping around my video, so I can't blame you. It's not exciting to skip around. But if you've never been to Bahrain, then it's clearly something to see. It's not your typical Middle Eastern country, I don't think. I've been to a few Middle Eastern countries. This one, I definitely would have to say this is the Las Vegas of the Middle East. And if you don't know what that means, just Google what all goes on in Las Vegas, and you'll probably find that here in Bahrain. Some shops to get your hair cut, beards trimmed. More shisha shops for shisha. We want some football. Alright, I'm gonna go on and give it a break. I gotta get some water, but it's getting pretty dark. There's not as much to see as there will be on the weekend, so maybe I'll try and get some good video on the weekend. There'll be a lot more to see. What's up?
Hair falling, use black seed oil. And chikir istemal mara.
I'm sorry?
This hair falling, use the black seed oil. Hair growing kasturi mix. There is 1 month use. Complete hair coming.
Okay.
It's right for you.
Thanks. You too. It'll help your hair.
You see, my brother.
Yeah.
This your hair is falling.
Yeah.
This camera is on.
I got a haircut today.
This is camera on.
Yeah.
No, close the camera.
Okay. You walk away and it'll close.
I tell you something.
You came up to me and talked to me. You knew my camera was going. Okay, guys, it's okay.
No, this your eyes. This your
Yeah,
hair
and then
is
you
falling.
insult my hair. I didn't insult your hair. You're insulting my hair.
Your hair is good.
Good. Thank you, brother. All right. Thank you, guys. All right. Salam alaikum.
Write
All right.
this name. Write this name.
Huh?
Your mobile.
Friend, you from?
No. I'm from America.
You YouTuber?
Yeah.
Seems
Not very big.
America good country.
Thank you. So is Bahrain.
No, my
Or-
name is Muscat.
Muscat?
Oman. Oman, Muscat.
Okay. I've never been there.
And Baluch.
I don't think. I don't know.
You see.
Khuda jod se dere rasta motor.
Yeah.
You see.
channel name? YouTuber.
Life as I view it.
1 minute. I'm search.
Search.
Oh, that was a fun interaction. I love it. I think my backpack just hollers that I just got here. But anyways, I think they were trying to. It's funny. This is the second time this has happened. They're telling me I'm fat. I was like, I don't need you to tell me I'm fat. I'm fat and my hair's falling out. Boy, that's a real. You're gonna sell me anything you want by telling me I'm fat and my hair's falling out. So then he proceeded to tell me that I couldn't film, but he came up on me while I was filming, so I turned it off just because I didn't want to waste film on that, because I knew it was a scam, because then they wanted me to They wanted me to buy something or try something and then take me somewhere. Never go anywhere with anybody that you do not know. That is going to be your biggest mistake, is if you go somewhere with someone you don't know, because they're like, oh, my friend, let me take you somewhere, and then you're gonna find yourself in trouble. I mean, they might find some good things, but by and far it's not going to be good. And especially if they want you to turn your camera off, because they don't want you to see what they're doing or expose it. Anyways, that was you know, it's part of life. It happens sometime. But it is funny that this is the second time something like this has happened, where someone's told me my hair is falling out. I know, I got a haircut. Of course my hair is falling out. Anyways, make sure you, if you're gonna travel anywhere, just literally take your time, go on the internet or YouTube or whatever, and the area that you're going to, just YouTube scams in that area, you know, see what's going on. That way when you get there, you're not getting scammed. You're not, you know, getting taken advantage of. Everything from the airport to people telling you you're fat and your hair's falling out, or they want to take you somewhere, or they got their own special tour guide or whatever. Anyways, we're just don't go anywhere at all. You know, a good rule of thumb, I think personally, research the area good enough that you don't need anybody. You know, just do it yourself. Take yourself on that adventure. I mean, if you've got a phone, it's got a data, GPS, all that good stuff, that's all you need, right? You know, just do it yourself. Anyways, all right, I got to get some water. I will talk to you guys later. If I don't see you, if I don't get back on here and say anything, well, this is life as I view it. Have a nice night.